Well, today I'm making my little chocolate cookie for Gordon, and I got some flour there, and you can see hidden behind there a little bit of cornmeal, and here's the other one, two, so it's 2 cups of flour, and this here, and I got the chocolates in the bottom. Now I put a little bit of hot water to melt them. And then, oh, by the way, look what I'm doing next. While I'm preparing to bake, I am doing this also. So, this is a half an hour, and guess what's in here? Look. The chicken is getting ready. Oh, boy. I guess you guys guess what I'm doing again. Yes, I'm mushroom and barley soup. Yep. I'm also preparing this one. This is I put some mixed nuts in there, and a little bit of cornmeal to make it corny, and then some chocolate in here from Gordon. So let's see how this turns out, because Gordon says he doesn't like too much sugar, but he's curious to see how I can make a cookie with these chocolates that he gave me. Yeah, see, I've already put it in the pan now, so let's see. Bake at 110 minutes, and there we go. And here is my chocolate whatever cookie that I made for Gordon. It's ready now, but still hot. So hopefully I can cut a piece and bring for him. And the recipe for my friends and me. I've got the barley already in there with chicken, let it cook. And here are my 2 green bananas and my potato, 2 onions, and decided now today I'm going to add some tomatoes and the broccoli, and of course, you know what's coming. You know what's up, right? See? Yeah. So these are what I'm putting into the pot, and this will make my chicken, barley, and mushroom soup. Well, I call it chicken now because I decided to put some chicken again instead of the chicken broth. So somebody told me, hey, you put chicken in there, but yeah, I could hide it. So there it goes. See, it's still simmering. So it's about an hour now, and I'm going to start adding the vegetables. Okay, here we go. Add them up. Yeah, and this is the broccoli. I'll put it the latest, maybe 10 minutes before everything is done, so that'll keep the green, because some people like it when it's see the green. It doesn't make difference because it's still in the soup, but I try to keep it as green as possible. And now I've already now just put the broccoli in, so take a look at it. See that? Mushroom and barley soup with broccoli and chicken. Wow. Okay, another 10 minutes for the broccoli to cook, and it's done. Well, my mushroom and barley soup is done, so I just turned off the heat, and you can see what's going on here. Alright, so I turn it off and just cool down, and then I'm going to put in some containers and bring for some of my buddies, especially the Chijiokee's favorite mushroom and barley soup. Yay! There you have it, my mushroom and barley soup. There, mix 8 containers, so 4 for my friends, and this, look at that, it's almost down near the end, but at least I can hold more than 4 more here, right? Yeah, 4 more to go. All right, mushroom and barley soup.